Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Monty. Today what we're going to do is make a new jig. This is so simple to do and it is so valuable. Every woodworker, every woodworking shop needs one of these. In fact, you probably need several of these. Here it is. This is a bench hook. It's very simple. All you do, this happens to be a piece of poplar, all you do is take this 4-inch piece, cut it to the size you want it, glue a piece onto the back right in here. I just put this on an angle because it's easy for me to grip. And then you take another piece of wood that's obviously 4 inches wide. It's about 3/8 of an inch in length or width here. And I glue it to this edge. And then I just simply put it here on my bench and it hooks right in. It doesn't go anywhere. The purpose of this is when you're working with small little pieces of wood like this, it's much easier if you have an extra pair of hands. That's what the bench hook does. It just sits there like that. And then if you want to scrape it, you can scrape it to whatever thickness you want, whatever shape you want. It doesn't matter, but it lets you get the small stuff down to size. This is jumping because I've actually used this so much. Here's another piece. You could do the same thing with it. Shave it down. You could take it and you could sand it. Now, if I'm sanding it, I take the finger and I just hold it here and I just go back and forth until I get it exactly the way I want. What if you've got a tiny little piece of wood like this? Well, it works the same. It is so handy and so simple. It's almost laughable. Less than 150 seconds, you can have one of these in your shop. So, by all means, get on it. All right, it's time for a cup of tea. I'm heading upstairs. And before I do, I just want to tell you that we've got all the shell around the edge of the guitar here. We've got the armrest done. I'm just waiting on some pour filler. And then we're going to sand the guitar, pour fill, and get ready to put a finish on it. So we're moving right along on that. All right, thank you for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit the like button if you would, and hit the bell if you want to be notified of more videos that are coming your way. All right, and by the way, one last thing. Don't forget to check out the community section on the YouTube page, because in that area, I write a whole bunch of different articles to encourage you in what you're working on in your workshop. All right, that's it. See ya. It's tea time.